Hello and welcome to the abdomen massage. This is the only part of the baby where you actually have to follow some rules in terms of the direction in which you massage. The reason being is that we're going to massage over the abdomen, which obviously contains the intestines. The intestines flow naturally in a clockwise way around your baby's tummy. So if you take the belly button as the center point, and from the bottom left as you're facing the baby, around 8 o'clock is the start of the large intestine. As you work around clockwise from there to about 4 o'clock, that's where we're going to be applying the massage. We stop at 4 o'clock because of the position of the bladder. We do not want to apply too much pressure on this. So all our moves are clockwise on the abdomen. We're going to help the flow of gas around the intestines. This is a fantastic massage if your baby has trapped wind, constipation, and it can be applied over clothes. So if your baby wakes up during the night and suffers from any of these symptoms, you can do this. If you see your baby raising their legs up, knees up towards their abdomen, towards their chest, this could be a sign that they may need some relief from constipation. So we're going to start with hot hands, and what we do here, we put a bit of oil on our hands, rub them together very much until they're nice and hot and warm, and then we're going to place them on the abdomen and hold them there. This is a great, very simple technique to bring pain relief to your baby's tummy. Once your hands have cooled down, give them another rub to heat them back up and place them back on your baby. Now place some oil on your hands and make sure there is plenty on the fingers, because you will be using these as well during the abdomen massage. We're going to start just by warming the abdomen up in the clockwise direction using following hands. We're going to start with the right hand, going round from 8 o'clock round to 4 o'clock in a circular motion, and we're going to chase it with the left hand, like so. So once you have warmed up the abdomen using this move, we'll move on to the next move, which goes a little bit deeper. Using 2 fingers, we're going to apply circular motion around the abdomen, starting again at 8 o'clock in small circles. We're going to work our way around to 4 o'clock. As we go up and over, we want to make sure we keep our hands between the belly button and the rib cage, stopping before we hit the bladder. It's worth noting that if your baby's tummy is nice and soft, you can go quite deep on this. However, if their tummy is tensed, then you don't want to go so deep, because then you're working on the abdomen muscles. If you go quite deep, you'll be actually massaging the bowel itself, which will be helpful for any indigestion suffered. If you have a windy baby and you're massaging around, sometimes you can feel the little bubbles of air within the intestines. And then you follow this up with the original stroke of the following hands. Again, working your way around from 8 o'clock over the top round to 4 o'clock. And finally, we're going to join the abdomen to the legs and the toes with a long sweeping stroke all the way down, over the abdomen, over the legs and into the toes. You may find if your baby is particularly windy or irritable that day that it may not enjoy the slightly deeper massage. In this case, keep it superficial, keep it light, and make sure you respond to your baby's cues. I hope you liked this video. There's a couple more I've got, so make sure you check them out on how to massage your baby. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, Subscribe to stay up to date with my newest releases, and I'll see you next time.